Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I wanted to walk you through another cool feature within Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 3, and that is the password input screen within the data center. Now, this is going to allow you to enter a 34 character code that's going to unlock a very rare character with heightened abilities. These characters are known as the red Potara characters. So entering the last character here, we'll hit decide, and there you go, a new warrior appears, Goku GT. So he is a red Potara character. There are a bunch more that you can save onto your PlayStation 2. If you guys want to see more videos about this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, if we go into the fighter catalog, we can click on Goku, and then within the password, you'll see the password. I'll leave it there on the screen for you if you guys want to use this in your game. And then if we go into the Z items, we can see all the red Potaras. So that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like this video, comment down below other Dragon Ball Z videos you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.